What up, boys? Welcome to day one of work on this car. I'm going to try to do an inventory check, figure out what's in the car. You guys are going to see what's in there. I gave it a bath and I've put in some sanitizing defogger thing just so it kills all the germs. So there's a lot of crap in this car and I need to kind of do an inventory and figure out what's what. Then Gary was kind enough to drop off the Lexan glass. So this is handy. Previous owner put everything in Ziploc bags, labeled it, trunk mechanism, etc, etc. Very cool. Bracket for lock bracket or something. Indicator. I thought I had to buy one of these from Japan. Luckily I didn't. I pretty much stripped out the inside of the car. All this stuff was just lying around. A lot of it doesn't belong to the inside of the car and I want to just keep all the inside, well, inside. Cigarette butts, very dirty. I found some license plates. I found a license disc from 2014. That's cool. Boot is in the shambles. I'm going to tackle this later. There were a couple interior bits that were in here. I've taken them out, like the glove box and a few other things. I've taken them out. We'll figure this out later. I'm going to throw the hard lines, that sort of stuff in there because, well, I'm running out of space. And then let me know what you guys think. I know I initially said, like, let's do a drift missile. And I don't know. I'm thinking about having a semi-clean interior. I've got all the interior bits. I'm thinking about putting all the interior back together. Maybe just lose the back seats, maybe lose the carpet, do some dry ice on the floor, but at least have the dash, have a complete dash, have some door cards in. And the only reason I say this is I'm sure all of you guys watch Samet overseas in Japan, Australia. He's got that chaser that he drifts, and that car's got a full interior. And he's got the gauges on the dash on the passenger side. I'm thinking about doing the same thing, but I want a complete dash. I'm thinking about a complete dash, but you guys let me know in the comments. So I'm thinking retain the dash. Obviously that's a problem. I'm thinking from this line here. So from here, plus minus, have this recovered. So this section is completely bust from there. So have it recovered over here. I could probably do that myself. I could figure that out. And then run my gauges, 3 or 4 gauges over here with like a slight angle so I can see them from, let's say I was sitting over here. Right, gauges over there. I think that'll look pretty cool. Steering wheel's cooked. I've got steering wheels though, we'll sort that out. I'm going to actually take out the centerpiece so it doesn't look so, so shite. That's a good sign, there's no rats here. A lot of spider webs, but no rats. So the stupid airbag thing, it's got normal nuts over here. And then that? What the hell am I supposed to do with that thing? That. Yeah. Problem solved. Oh shit, I've got a lot of work on this car. Okay, I'm thinking I want to get this surround out. Oh wow. So there's a deep hole that just, yeah. Better cover that up so shit doesn't come inside the car. Okay, I want to get this trim out because I do get quite a bit of time where I can just sit on the balcony and watch my kids play. While they're playing, I can fix shit like this. And that I'll do off cam. I believe these are all clips. one, and then I'm going to take this dash cluster out. Not I think, I am. And the reason why I'm going to do it is because I need to take the dash out, so this needs to come out. Actually, all this shit needs to come out. Steering wheel, I've got a bit of a problem. It's got those same stupid locks. It's like a spline type thing almost, but not. So it was a little bit tricky to get off. It took about 3 minutes or so. I'll show you why. Okay, so here's your normal standard plugs where you just put pressure on the one side and you pull it. Here's another one. But then it's got these. See, it's got on both sides. So you got to actually put pressure on both sides here and then yank it out. And there were two of those. So the black one was the one that was an issue, and they were sitting in the corner there. There wasn't much space. Anyway, it's out. I'm going to label all these screws, put them in Ziploc bags, just like the previous owner did, and just like I've been doing with the RB20. Pretty cool. And then we're going to get this dash out. I'm going to say it again, but what do you guys think about having this? That was cool. Oh, have the dash pretty much complete, door panels, driver's seat, rear seats out, floor matting out. Or should I just go full balls to the wall and rip everything out? Look at that. That's the top of the dash. Remember I said something earlier about the rats being in the car? What is that? Yeah, this is old shit. At some stage there were probably rats. Super snack. Let me wash my hands. Ew. Sour plum. Made in China. Sus. I need to get this all stripped out and cleaned. That's disgusting. Okay, we're looking better. So it looks like the only thing that I'm really missing is a GT badge. That's really it. I've already found some in Japan. They're cheap. They're like 90, 150 rand. Original ones, second hand obviously. I think I might end this vlog now. Right, I think I'm going to end the vlog. I've spent quite a lot of time, well, categorizing, doing a little inventory, etc., off-cam stuff, and I kind of have a plan now, plan of action, so I can actually prepare these videos, make them longer, make them more entertaining. Today I was just figuring out about the car. The previous video of revealing this car, well, that was the longest I spent other than right now. I did push the car around with some help and gave it a bath, and that was it. Other than that, I haven't opened it up. So today was a day of just exploring. That being said, I'm so excited that I've got this, that I've got content now, that I can do this build, and then we're going to do it together. So I want your guys' input. So let me know about the interior, and then I'm going to start asking you questions in the next video. What color are we going to do? What are we going to do? What sort of turbo are we going to throw on the engine? Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next one. Peace.